Paulo Cruzada. Guys, for me, at least I don't want to get in any trouble just like Paulo Cruzada. For me, I just respect Teacher May. For her, I'm just gonna say to her, I apologize that I criticize her. I put her in my enemies list and I put her in Photoshop in memes. I apologize to Teacher May. I don't want to be happen again. Because I know she is my former teacher. It won't really happen again. And I know I apologize. Just for meanwhile, for this situation anyway, I telling to Paulo Cruzada's parents, just discipline your son. Here's the one thing the condition is. Mrs. Marion Cruzada, the mother of Paulo Cruzada, you have to lecture your son that he should not attack anybody. I know your son is a special child. I know we know each other that we are in CDIFI. But for me, you need to apologize. Teacher May is really retired, Mrs. Marion Cruzada. Oh, when I talked to Joannes Impact, that I said before, that Teacher May is already retired. Oh, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, this is the only best way you can learn a lesson to your son. Discipline. Discipline your son. Oh, you should never make a sexual harassment. As for me, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, I know you're a mother of Paulo Cruzada. Of course, you are you're taking you're very irresponsible of your son. Your son is very irresponsible for attacking anybody and making a bomb joke and bomb threats. How would you ever, like your son is promoting, like for example ISIS or Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, or know what is that word, Mrs. Marion Cruzada? You are a mother of Paulo Cruzada. You need to lecture your son. You need to teach your son a good manner and right conduct. Like social media. You remember that Teacher May has taught us about social media etiquette during incurred events? During the time about Pope Francis, who was a late a pope who advocate for the youth to how to use social media etiquette to stop cyberbullying. It's not really happen is your son, Paulo Cruzada, is attacking anybody, harassing anybody, even the others who were harassing at. Your son is responsible of your attitude. That is your problem, Mrs. Marion Cruzada. I know you are a mother. For me, I will not going to argue with you. Here's my one thing. Mrs. Marion Cruzada, lecture your son. Teach your son good manners and right conduct. Oh, look at Ate Mirasol. Oh, that her son, Paulo Siaco, he never go to Japan. He never go to Hong Kong. Oh, he studied in Canada. At least, he was raised by his mother. Oh, Ate Mirasol, you remember Paulo Siaco? Oh, what about Paulo Cruzada? Oh, if he's special, he was not raised by his mother, named Mrs. Marion Cruzada. Oh, it's not really difficult. Like I said, you are a mother. You raise your son as special. For me, I do not too much attacking or making attacking, Paulo Cruzada is attacking anybody, while me and Ronald Ravena, we saw somebody who had the group chat, Teacher May, you know Mrs. Marion Cruzada, lecture your son. Dapat, like I said before, dapat palakihin mo yung anak mo, like I said. Di mo kasi pinalaki. You know what's the consequence of your son. If I were you, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, the mother of Paulo Cruzada, you will need a life coach to your son. You need to go to therapy. That's all I could say. Me, I'm just saying, you need to go to therapy.